Hello traders, in this video I'm going to talk about the Forex strategy that is going to make you profitable, and this is kind of an unknown indicator on TradingView. So many of the traders do not have any idea about this trading setup. So let's go to the system because we will be using three indicators in the strategy. So the first indicator that we will be using is P signal, CFB and slope trend follow, and please note that this is by PP signal 01 and only 634 traders have put this indicator into the favorites, right? So this is how the indicator looks into the screen. So we will do some major changes inside the indicator, but okay, let me guide you step by step that how we need to make the change. So first of all, if I'm going to the inputs, then I will drag my this page a little bit down, and you will see a smooth range, and below the smooth range you will see smoothing period, and you can see it is set to 2100 and we need to change it to 100, right? Okay, the second thing that you can see on the screen, show SMT cross CFB 2020 alarm, we need to uncheck this one, right? So these are the two settings that we have done into the input section. I have told you already. Now if we go to the styles, then there is a lot of things inside the style, so let me come directly downward. So we will quickly make the things happen. So if I come a little bit down, so at the end I will have the option of labels, right? So uncheck these labels, okay, and then you can press the OK button, right? So this setup is ready, but this is not complete. The second indicator that we will be using in this strategy is true strength indicator with histogram, and that is by Zakaria, okay? So only 213 traders are using this indicator. Now we also need a change in this setup. We are going inside the style section, and we want to uncheck the first two plots, right? Okay, so the histogram is ready, and the third thing and the final thing that we need to use is the moving average exponential. So I have just attached moving average exponential on my screen and going inside the settings. So I'm going to give it a green color, and then I'm going to inputs. Instead of 9, I will choose 200 for the moving average, and then I press OK. Okay guys, so the top line that you can see in the green color is the 200 EMA line, and this is the first indicator P signal that we attached, and this is the histogram, right? Okay, now let's talk about the good entry rules. So first of all, the EMA will decide the major trend of the pair. As you know that the candles are below the 200 EMA, it means that this is the downtrend. But let's see where this downtrend gets started, right? If you look at the first indicator, then the red line comes at the top, and here we had a sell signal. So the second thing we will check at this point, that either the histogram candle, is it closed below the zero line, because you can see a zero level here. So if any one candle closes below the zero line of the histogram and you have a sell signal, so the two conditions are going to met. And the third condition, you need to check that either the market is below the 200 EMA or not. Yes, definitely the market was below the 200 EMA, right? So I'm going to drag it a bit down, and let's see that if we have taken our short position exactly from here, like if we have taken the trade from here, and if we set up the stop loss, because when you are trading the EMA, I have already told you about in my videos that you will set up a stop loss just little below above the 200 EMA, and then we can easily see that how much we were able to call catch from this trade, and we were able to catch like 6.35 ratio on that trade. Okay, then we have a buy signal. We will not be interested because we are already below the 200 EMA. Then again we will go and seek the short position, right? Here we have another sell signal. As you can see, the histogram is below, and let's say if you have taken a trade from here, okay, to set up a stop loss at the previous high. So let's see that how much we were able to make here. Our ratio was quite less. almost 0.69, not a good ratio. And then you can see we have a buy signal, we are not interested, and then it went up. Let's see on other pairs like this one, like let's go to gold and check this one. Okay, so for example, let's go to gold. If you look at here, this is the beautiful setup that you have received. For example, you have the buy signal somewhere here. If we go back here, we have the bullish crossover, right? So bullish crossover was there, and you can see the histogram closed above the zero level. One candle was formed, and now you can see that where the market stands. Actually, if you look at the top, the market is highly up. I mean, that was a very good position. I mean, for example, if we have taken something from here, so I'm just giving you a rough idea at how much you can make, because if you compare it with these heights, so definitely it was a very good trade. Okay, so all you need to follow is the trend following signals. Like on Euro USD 5 minute, you can see histogram candle was closed above the zero level. You have a bullish crossover as well, and then you can see the market is simply pumping up. Ignore the sell signals. Here the trend got changed, it comes below the green 200 EMA line, and you can sell it and leave this buy. And now it looks like that the market has again changed the trend to the downward. So again there could be a selling chance. So once you will get a signal of the sell from the P signal indicator, you can definitely. So guys, this is the strategy. Maybe it looks a little bit complicated to you, but when you will practice it, then you will love this strategy, because the strategy is very powerful. I have tested it. That's really good. All you need to is to follow with the 200 EMA, right? So guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe FX Mentor US, and share this video with the other guys. Thank you very much.